If you live on a boat, you will know how important it is to have an ice maker. And this Yuhomi one is great. It makes 9 ice cubes every 6 to 7 minutes, and they just drop down. It fits right here on the countertop. You can move it around to different areas, and it is pretty essential when you're in hot areas where you don't have an room for, or you don't have a big freezer. You can make ice on demand. In 6 minutes you have enough ice cubes for 2 drinks. You can keep the ice cubes in the container itself, or you can move them into a plastic bag and put them in your freezer if you do want to make more ice. And if you live on a boat, this is an essential for your galley kitchen to have this ice maker. You can put it on outside on a countertop outside or inside. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.